Hello everyone. Today let's talk about a neat improvement that costs less than 20 bucks. It's this baby right here. Now here is the old antenna that come with the Jeep Gladiator. This will also apply to Jeep JL, JK, and probably any other vehicle, regardless of brand. This is on a Jeep Gladiator. But as you can see, I don't know if I can pan back that far, but if this was on, it whips in the wind, it gets into car washes. Look at that. It's a solid foot above the top of the Jeep. And it's ugly. If you remove that and put on this, I believe is a 13-inch. I've tried a couple different ones. Do not buy those ones that are 7-8 bucks. They ain't gonna do nothing for you. It's a great improvement, and for 20 bucks it's probably the cheapest improvement you can do to your Jeep. Make it look better. It's as simple as unscrewing this counterclockwise, taking it off, putting this on. This one comes with a little carbon fiber collar here, and just screw this back on as tight as you can get it by hand. I have not had any problems. Of course, I've got Sirius XM, and that's got its own antenna pretty much. But I've not had any problem on FM either with reception with this brand. Like I said, don't buy those cheap $6 or $7 ones. Spend the $20 and you'll be glad you did. It's one of the best improvements you can make at 20 bucks on your Jeep. Big difference. Big difference. You really can't even see this from the driver's seat. If you look, it really doesn't even go above the dash. I don't know if you can see that, the glare, but it's not even above the glass. But it looks a whole lot better. And like I said, it takes all of a minute to install. Just don't scratch if your old one's on tight, just make sure if you get a pair of pliers or something to take the old one off, just make sure you don't hit and scratch up your Jeep. But you'll be glad you made that improvement. For 20 bucks, you can't go wrong. I'll put a link in the description to that one, because there's a couple others out there that have poor reception. This does not. So there'll be a link in the description to that. Alright guys and gals, that's all I got for you today. Thank you for watching, share, and subscribe.